I made this little pocket from tea packaging. Let's put it in my altered book art journal. So these are some pages that I've done before, but I love just taking leftover paint, particularly black paint, and just like looping it around and creating kind of these really interesting backgrounds. So I think that's a perfect page to put this little pocket. And this pocket is made just from old tea packaging, a Tim Holtz sticker, and then I have neutral paper packs in my Etsy store, so I love using those. And then I also have this scrap roll that I thought I might use, but I didn't end up using it. But I don't know about you, but I have a lot of these kind of little things around that I sometimes forget that I need to use. So I've been more intentional about making sure that I get them in my journal. So this is just a piece of tracing paper again that I have hanging around from a project I was working on, and I'm just going to rip it. And I didn't know which side I wanted to use, but I'm going to actually use the other side. But I really love how you have the text, which can be a little bit busy, plus the black paint kind of pushes it back, and then this beautiful tracing paper is going to push back the black. And I just love that beautiful layered look. So I'm going to glue that down. I'm going to grab a glue stick and just apply some glue and glue that down. Just on the left side of the page, I think it makes it really, really interesting. And it's really going to make that pocket pop off the page. So I'm going to add my glue, just like that. And I love working in my altered book journal. I actually haven't done junk journaling or art journaling in a while because I just so enjoy working in my altered book art journal. So if you don't have one, I suggest you get one. They're so much fun. And then because this is a little pocket, I thought that I would write down things that I am hopeful for. So I'm just going to write a list of things and then tear them into strips and put them in that little pocket. I love doing this. I love having kind of these little hidden spots where I can add messages to myself or things that I can look back on for years to come and kind of see where my brain was at. I think that that's super important part of my artistic journey is like tapping into myself and including like kind of personal things or things that I want to remember or things that I'd like to think about in my journal. And a pocket is a perfect way to do that. So I'm going to absolutely include a bunch of stuff. And I just wrote, success, and I wrote, accepting things. And I am definitely in this season of my life where I'm the happiest that I've ever been. And I was in a pretty kind of toxic work situation. I worked with kids who were awesome, but just management was crazy. The last manager I had, he was amazing, but he didn't end up staying. And I stayed too long kind of trying to make things work. So, I feel really, really happy and content right now in my life. So, in a way that I really never have before. So, I just kind of wanted to take my time and write, even more hopes for the future. And I hope that I always keep this peace and joy that I have right now. And I'm just going to fold those up and put them in that little pocket. And then we're going to glue it down. But I did decide that I wanted kind of to emphasize that transition from the tracing paper to the book page. So I'm going to add a little bit of copper foil. I love doing this. So you just put down a little bit of glue and then you rub your fingers over. And it just picks up a little bit of the texture and it's so pretty. And I love the way that this looks. So I am going to add that. Just like that. Awesome. And we're going to just let that dry. I don't think that lots of people know that you don't need, fancy glue for foil or gold leafing. You can just use a glue stick. I learned that from Tiffany, actually, the Southern Girl Designs. I'm sure you guys know Tiff, but she's amazing. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of glue, and then I'm going to stick this right down to my page. And I love the way it looks. And that's it. Quick, easy, turned out awesome. And I will see you for the next ones, friends. Happy creating. Bye.